Good morning. Today we are going to see one more objective question. Now I am reading the question. In the circuit given below, the current flowing through 4 ohm resistance is. The circuit is given. Okay. Now we have to find out the current flowing through this resistance. We have to find out the current flowing through this 4 ohm resistance. By looking this circuit, we can understand that it is a Wheatstone network form. Okay. If they are giving this type of circuit, first we have to check whether this circuit is balanced or not. Okay. For that, what we have to do? We have to find out P by Q R by S ratio. That means P by Q R by S. P by Q R by S ratio. Here this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Therefore, what do you get? 20 by 4. Okay. 20 by 4, which is equal to 25 by 5. That means this is 5, this is 5. That means the bridge is said to be balanced. The bridge is said to be balanced. That means there is no current through the galvanometer. There is no current through the galvanometer. Now we have to find out the current through this arm. Okay. Current this arm, we have to find out what is the current. Now for that, we have to find out the voltage for this circuit, because the current here it is given 2.7 ampere. It is entering at this point. Now it will divide in this point and this point. Okay, it will divide. We don't know how much it is dividing. For that, we have to find out the voltage first. Now how to find out the voltage? For that, we have to find out the total resistance in the circuit. Now this 20 plus 4 is in series and 25 plus 5 is in series, and this arm both are in parallel. Therefore, we have to find out the resistance between A and C. We have to find out the resistance between A and C, which is equal to, I told you, this and this are in series, this and this are in series. Therefore, it will be 24 into 30 divided by 25 plus 24 plus 30. Okay. That means both are in parallel. This and this are in parallel. Now if you simplify, what you will get? You will be getting 720 in the numerator, denominator 54. Okay. This is the resistance between A terminal and C terminal. Okay. Now we have to find out the voltage between A and C. Okay. Voltage equal to, current into resistance. Okay. Current is given, voltage we have to find out. Current is given as 2.7 ampere. Okay. Current is given here. Okay. Therefore, now this is the resistance. Therefore, it is 720 divided by 54. Okay. Now by looking this number and this number, okay, you can have some idea, because here 7 is there, here 4 is there. That means you can cancel these two numbers. Okay. Now instead of cancelling also, you can make some more simplification. If you multiply by this 10, then it will be 27, and here 720. If you multiply in the numerator, means you have to multiply by denominator also. Therefore, here it is 540. Okay. Here I have multiplied by 10, here I have multiplied by 10. Now you can cancel this 0 and this 0. Now this is 27, this is 54. That means here you will get 2. Therefore, your answer will be 72 divided by 2, which is equal to 36. Okay. Now it is 36. That means voltage equal to 36 volt. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the current. Now current I equal to, okay, 36 divided by 24. Okay. Why 36 by 24? Because see, in this sum we have to find this. Why in this sum? Because current through series of resistance is same. Okay. In parallel it will divide, and in series it will go the same. Therefore, the resistance is 20 plus 4, 24. Therefore, what we are doing is 36 by 24, which is equal to 1.5 ampere. Okay. This is the current through the ABC. Okay. That means it is the current through your 4 ohm resistance. Current through 4 ohm resistance. And what will be the current in the sum? In the sum, the resistance is 25 plus 5. That means 36 divided by 30, okay, which is equal to 1.2 ampere. That means if you add this, okay, 1.5 plus 1.2, which is equal to 2.7. That means your total current is there. Okay, your total current is 2.7. 2.7 is dividing into 1.5 and 1.2 ampere. That means current through this ohms or this resistance is, it is 1.5 ampere. Okay, understand this? Current through this also, current through this also 1.5, current this also 1.5, and current through this is 1.2, here it is 1.2, and total is 2.7. Okay. What we have to do? If they have given a circuit like this, first you have to find out whether the circuit is balanced or not. If it is balanced, then only you have to proceed in this method. Otherwise, it is not possible to find out in this method. After that, what you are doing? You are finding the total resistance of the circuit. That means this and this are series, this and this are series, and both are in parallel. You are finding out. After that, you are finding out the voltage. After that, you are finding out the current. Okay. I think it is clear for you. Okay. Thank you. Let us see some more problem in the next class. Thank you.